Alright, we got an Amtrak eastbound train just left the station. Got all the passengers sticking down. We're at Depew Amtrak station. Before we get to this video, I want to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on push notifications. And let's get some trains right now. There's the first train we just caught right now. And now... someone on the train is Amtrak 284. The 284 originates from Niagara Falls, New York, heads east to New York City where it terminates. You sure looks late because usually he runs in the early mornings, but this is the first time I see this Amtrak 284 on this Sunday, November 26th, 2023 by Brendan the Railfanning on YouTube. Here comes the next video, roll it. Alright, we got a CSX Eastbound train coming down the line. That'll be our first CSX of the day. Let's get the action. Symbol on that train is CSX I-104. There used to be the former CSX I-004, but then the symbol changed. I don't know how the symbol changed to 104 to I-004, from I-404 to 104. The 104 originates from Chicago, Illinois at Bedford Park, heads east to South Kearney, New Jersey, where it terminates. On to the next train clip. Roll it. Alright, we got an Amtrak. I almost missed that motherfucker. The one that train is Amtrak 48. The 48 originates from Chicago, Illinois, heads east to New York City, where it terminates. On to the next train clip. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX Eastbound train coming down the line. That will be our second CSX of the day. Alright. Sim one on the train is CSX I-020. The I-020 originates from Chicago, Illinois at Bedford Park, heads east to Worcester, Massachusetts, where it terminates. On to the next train clip. Roll it. Yeah, alright. I almost missed that train because my phone was not working. So they're good news. I caught this train. Oh, thank goodness, man. I didn't miss that train. I almost missed that train because like my phone, my fingers are obviously like not working, so obviously it couldn't like. Shit, bro. Never expected to see any in this area. Good thing I'm still able to record the train though. I'm still able to cut the train, so if I miss, it's gonna be a big nightmare. Really small tankers in this. The one last train is CSX M566. The 566 originates from Chicago, north of Barr, heads east to Selkirk, New York, where terminates. On to the next train clip. Roll it. Alright, we got a CSX westbound train coming down the line. This could be my last CSX of the day, or last train of the day, so let's get the action. This could be the IO17, so let's find out. Alright, there's CSX M561 about to move. I don't even know the power of this train, so now it's about to move its train. symbol on that train is CSX ES17. The ES17 originates from Worcester, Massachusetts, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park. And that's going to be the last train that we're going to catch in this video. So right now, this M561 that we just missed is now finally approaching. And it's heading all the way. And this train originates from Selkirk, New York, heads west to Cincinnati, Ohio, where it terminates at the Queensgate Yard. Oh, this is the one we missed. So, by the way, y'all, the ES17 is the last train that we're gonna catch. Just let you all know again. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos. So before I exit the video, let's record the whole M561 that we just missed. Because right now, that's the one that we just saw. Stopping all, like the whole 4 hours. I don't even know how much hours it stopped. But now this train is finally gonna move. And he's been there for so long. So I'm not gonna record the whole train, just so you all know. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more train videos.